Good morning, students. Today's lecture is a continuation of the lecture on what secularism and is not. So let's begin. The additional or the supplementary meaning of secularism is that the state, that is the authority making and observing of laws by human agencies, should be distinct from religion, that is, should be different from religion. Why? As the authority of each was clearly different. So, in the case of religion, the sanction or the permission from faith and deity or God is really important. But if you look into the case of secularism, there is no intervention or involvement of faith or deity. So, as social laws are the spine or the backbone of a society, and what should these social laws do? They should protect the rights to live, and also it must make sure that there is no discrimination that affects the life and work of people. So, these social laws must ensure that there is no discrimination which affects the life and work of its citizens or the people. Social laws are important to protect, for example, registering birth, marriage, or even divorce in process of education. So, what is the purpose of education? It is to socialize a child into society. Then occupation and employment, and also inheritance. Inheritance is inheritance of property. So, these come under civil law. So, in order to make this happen, social laws must provide basic aspects of welfare in a modern state. So, social laws must provide basic aspects of welfare in a modern state. So, the absolute minimum or minimum of these basic aspect of welfare is equal access to education. There should be equal access to education. That is, nobody should be prevented from getting education. And healthcare for all members of society should also be there. That is, the citizens must not be prevented from getting equal access to healthcare. They should be provided healthcare facilities. Also, there should be equal access to employment. That is, no one should be prevented from getting employed. All this must be irrespective of religion and caste. So, there should not be any discrimination that is based on religion and caste. That is not limited to any particular religion and caste. So, this must happen if civil laws are to be universal and uniform. So, which is the ultimate aim of a secular society. The ultimate aim of a secular society is to have civil laws that are to be universal and uniform. That is same throughout the nation. There should not be any sort of discrimination. So, there should not be any sort of discrimination based on, it can be based on religion or caste or creed. So, there should not be any sort of such discrimination. So, in a secular society, there is religious authority, but its power is limited. So, in a secular society, if we look into a secular society, there is religious authority, but the power of it is limited. It extends only to governing religious belief and practice. So, it's limited to governing religious belief and practice. Also, it is argued that there should not be any rigid barrier or any restriction between religion and state. But there can be negotiated. That is, there should be a discussion, and religion and state should reach an agreement. Principled meaning based on a given set of rules. So, there should be a principled distance between religion and state. So, this could lead to new alignment or new agreement within the religion or between two religions. This can happen within a religion or between two religions or between a religion and the state. So, the overall relationship would thus disallow, that is forbid, the dominance of any single religion. So, this would prevent the dominance of any single religion, since each should have equal rights on the state and the state on them. So, these would have equal rights on the state and the state on them. And also, what before law, these have equal status. However, the fact is that there is a degree of stipulated, that is specific separation in this arrangement. Religious authority should not be controlling social laws. So, religious authorities should never interfere in or should never control social laws. So, this is all for today. Thank you.